Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to the day 16 of our rule-based trading challenge. And today, as you know, the market significantly opened gap up at about 1.9% or so during in the morning or after a long weekend in India. This was basically mainly due to the global news, whatever was favorable, and obviously Indian markets are also having positive vibes. So it moved in the upward direction. Rather, it opened in the gap up direction. Post that was interesting. Like it was just a sideways market. So it in a normal scenario, actually for an option seller, today should have been a good profitable day. But I'm a bit surprised that it was not so much. The premiums were not decaying so much. We'll see the details in the when I share the trade details. You will get to know the how it behaved. So in the morning at 9:45, we got a confirmation that market is likely to continue to go up. Although the confidence level for us was a bit low because after such a gap up, usually market could do some profit booking and then reverse the direction and such kind of things. However, at 9:45, since our setup gave a buy signal in the sense of the up direction, upward direction, so we sold the put of next week put 23,000 put. We sold it. We sold it around 111.85. So as you see in the order details here at 9:46. Basically 9:45 we got the confirmation, and by the time we could select the strike price and then we could sell it, it was 9:46, and then we sold it at 111.85. The 111.85 is the price at which we sold, and this is the option chart where it we sold here, and we had initially put the stop loss as usual 50%, which was at 167.75, and then we also changed the trailing stop loss based on the time base after 1:30 p.m. But however, these two are not relevant any for today because the market never crossed above the price at which we sold. So it was always remained in the direction of our trade. However, as you see, the premiums were not decaying much. But you see the Nifty chart also. This is the gap up. It is a 5 minutes chart. So probably we would have sold somewhere here, 9:45, 9:40, somewhere here we would have sold our this thing. And after that entire day, more or less, the market remained in the sideways with even though slight biased on the upward side because 1.9% is the gap up, and then when it is closed it is around 2.2%. So there is a slight, obviously slight movement upwards during the day also happened. However, the decay was not much, but anyway, that is not the point of discussion for us. So we stuck to our rules. That's the point we just wanted to drive, irrespective of whatever it is, even though it is a patience testing day. Throughout the day, as you see in the option chart, the price was hovering in the similar range, more or less. And we, unfortunately, as usual, during the end hours, the market shows some volatility, and it came against our direction to some extent. And this is the candle that the 315 candle. It looked like it is market is going to fall, kind of not fall, but it was the opposite directions, and that's why the put rates, the premium started going up, although it was kind of coming down. Only the exit candle at which it went up, and then the market again post. We exited here, as you see here. We exited at 315, 314. Post 314, that is at 315, we exited the trade, and after we exited the trade, the next candle onwards, again it fell. So we would have, since it is an intraday, and also as per our strategy rules, by 3:15 we are supposed to exit, so we exited. And had we stayed in the game, it would have given some more money, but that we don't want to violate any of our rules. So we we just want to stick to the rules, and that's that is the essence of the rule-based trading what we are playing here. And so we ended in a kind of reasonably green day, but it is not a significant gains. As you see, we entered at 111.85 and we exited at 108.65, and we paid a trading cost of 62.20. As usual, it's picked up from the Zerodha brokerage calculators. It is 62.15, so we are taken just as the 62.2. So net gain is 177.80, and our confidence level was 2, and I already explained why our confidence level was 2, and also the explanation is there in the tracker. And we stand at about 4.97% ROI at the end of the day 16. So again, focus is not on the P&L, although it is currently reasonably a good return, but we don't know what will be the result, as I always say. So that's all for now. That's Thanks for joining today, and then we will see you tomorrow for the 17th day of our this challenge. Thank you, and bye bye. Take care. Have a good day.